Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture we'll study about product of two vectors. Okay, so basically there are two types of product. One is named as scalar product. It is also called as dot product. The second one is vector product and it is also known as cross product. So in this lecture, we'll study about the scalar product. Okay. So let's say student, there are two vectors denoted by vector A and vector B. As the name specified, this is also a dot product. So scalar product is given by a dot vector A into vector B, and the formula for this is mod A into mod B and the angle between these two vectors. So let's say this is a vector A and this is vector B. Okay, and let's say theta is the angle between these two vectors. So the scalar product of these vectors is given by magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cosine of the angle between these two vectors. Okay, so why it is called a scalar product? Because student, the result obtained from this product is a scalar quantity, means this product also only give you the magnitude. Okay, so that is why it is called as a scalar product. So now there are some properties based on scalar product. So I am writing down here properties of scalar product. Okay. So the first property is distributive property. What this means by distributive property is, let's say vector A into B plus C vector. So these vectors are in addition and this is a dot product. So it is like vector A into vector B plus vector A into vector C. Okay, it means that scalar product is distributed among the addition. Next one is the property named as the scalar product. Okay, so in this property, let A and B vector be any two given vectors, be any two given vectors, and lambda be any scalar. Okay, so then I can write as lambda times A vector into B vector will be given as lambda common vector A into vector B, or it can also be written as A dot lambda times B vector. Lambda is a scalar quantity here. Okay, so students, it means that whether you multiply a vector by a scalar first or taking the dot product first and then multiplying it by a scalar quantity, then there is no difference between these two. Okay, so these are the two properties that we need to discuss. Now let us discuss about projection of a vector on a line. So student, in this projection of a vector on a line, suppose a vector AB, let's say this is a vector AB from A to point B, or let's say this is a vector A, makes an angle theta with a line directed L. It is making an angle theta, this is line L, okay, in the anticlockwise direction. So then the projection of vector AB on line L is a vector P. Let's say this point is C, and this AC is given by P vector, which is denoted by P vector is denoted by mod AB cos theta. So this is the magnitude of this vector, and the direction of P being the same as that of the line. Okay, and the magnitude is given by mod AB, magnitude of vector A, you can say, and into the cosine of angle theta. Okay, so I hope students now you are pretty clear about what is the projection of a vector on a line. Okay, and in the next lecture we will discuss about some questions based on dot product or scalar product. So stay tuned for that lecture on questions based on scalar product. Thank you. Happy learning. Stay blessed.